Hey everyone, in this video we'll talk about doubly circular linked list. What is the difference between singly circular linked list versus doubly circular linked list, and what is doubly circular linked list? We'll talk about everything in this video. Let's start. So what is basically doubly circular linked list? In my previous series I have discussed about what is singly circular linked list. In this video I'll discuss that what is doubly circular linked list. In doubly circular linked list we have two address parts. So as you can see that we have two pointers in doubly circular linked list. So doubly is written over there, it means we will have two address part. Then the main thing is last node next will be pointing to the first node and first node prev will be pointing to the last node. Now here is the difference between singly circular linked list versus doubly circular linked list. So what is that? In singly circular linked list we cannot go in reverse, right? But in doubly circular linked list we can go in reverse. And the fourth thing is insertion time at first and last position is order of 1. We can insert any node at order of 1 time in doubly circular list. Now let's look at the diagram. So let's say that it's a doubly circular linked list. So as you can see that in a normal doubly linked list, in this position we have null and in this position we have null. But the difference between normal doubly linked list versus doubly circular linked list is the previous pointer of the first node will store the address of the last block. The previous pointer of the first node will store the address of the last node, right? You can see that FFF4 is written over there and FFF4 is the address of the last node. Is this portion clear? Now we'll talk about this portion, the next pointer of the last node. So in a normal doubly linked list we have null over here, but for doubly circular linked list it will store the address of the first node. So what is the address of the first node? That is FFF0. So we have FFF0 stored over here. So the main benefit of doubly circular linked list is we can go in reverse direction. In a singly circular linked list or in a singly linked list you cannot traverse reversely, right? But in a doubly circular linked list you can traverse reversely from the first node. But for doubly linked list we have to reach here, then you have to go in reverse. But for doubly circular linked list you can start from here and you just keep on printing that head prev, like you just take a reference pointer, then initialize that reference pointer with head, then you just keep on printing that t prev, t prev, t prev, then it will be printing the value in reverse order. So this is the main benefit of using doubly circular linked list. So this is the basic architecture of doubly circular linked list. In the next video we'll see that how we can create a node and store that into a doubly circular linked list at O of 1 time, and we'll insert that node at last and at first as well. So I think these portions are clear. If you have any doubt just write in the comment section. See you in the next video.